I see something right there interesting. You see on that stick, that gelatinous looking ball? That's called a bryozoan, or a moss animal. And that's a sign of good water quality. They filter the water, the nutrients out of the water, and it's kind of like coral, I guess is the best way. They're a bacteria that creates a jelly ball to live in. They kind of create their own home. They filter the water out, but they're sensitive to toxins. So seeing some bryozoans around doesn't hurt my feelings. The old moss animal, pretty neat.